You see those inches, baby? Stop playing with them. What? That's the secret. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today, girl, is all about this wig, honey. Do you see these curls? They're so old. And look, this hair really holds a curl. It's super soft. The frontal is bomb. Like, the hairline is melted. So now, let me show you exactly what I did to get this look. Alright, really quick, let me show you guys how my hair came packaged in this drawstring bag. Lashes, more lashes, edge brush, a headband, a melt band, and some wig caps. Ooh, here's my wig. Here are some specs of the hair. It is HD lace, 13x4, 180 density, 24 inches. Ooh, body wave. Really nice wig. This is a frontal unit. Ooh, and this frontal actually have 4 inches all across the front of the hairline. It doesn't like swoop in anywhere. You got full lace up here at the top. That's perfect. Frontal unit. See here, the hairline has been pre-plucked. I will go in right quick to bleach my knots. Alright, bleach the knots and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here, this is what the hair looked like after it has air dried. I did tie a scarf on it when it was wet just to mold it and take out some of the, hot combing work. Even though I'm going back in with my hot comb to straighten the hair down and define my middle part. Here I'm also going in with some holding spray to create some baby hair, which I went back and changed those. You'll see later on in the video. And then since I'm rocking curls with this body wave, I am going in and just doing some nice big curls. And this hair really holds a curl. Look at that. It looks so juicy. Okay, y'all, so I want to show y'all my hair really quick. Look at how bouncy my curls are. Like, I'm not going to install this wig until tomorrow because it's already late and I just want to do it all in one day. But baby, like, this hair is holding this curl, baby. And then y'all see how flat I got it? Like, I'm going to go ahead and comb through these. I want more of like a wave curl. I don't want them so tight. See, that's kind of tight, so I'm going to give them time to drop. This is a lot of hair.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always...
Okay, yeah, so I'll be back. I switched it to a side part last night. Okay, so I'm trying something new. Just put the glue on the cap and then pull it down, and then whatever is lifting up still, use holding spray. So that's what I'm going to do. Here I just have the glue on the cap. This is thick ass hair. Baby, this is not an everyday wig. Let me tell you that. This is a lot of hair. What time is it? I got 10 minutes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, bitch. That's how you do it. Don't you put glue all the way up here. That's the secret. What? You gotta use hairspray at the end like that? Girl, I gotta go. Damn, bitch. Damn, ho. Bitch, flip that bitch to the side. Stop playing. But this tie stop. I gotta go. Somebody stop me. Now this a relaxer. Bro, that's how you do it. Because your shit do be sticky. That's why in my last video I was like, because it wasn't sticky, but it wasn't laid like this. So I do not need baby hair right here. I do right here. Shit, man, it's hard. Just a little bit of water. These need to be curled. Less is more, Tarika. Less is more. I'm really gonna fly girl today. I was ready to just style it, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. It's really cute. I did that. The hairs have to separate. It's giving. Okay, this came out perfect. It feels so good. It's so secure. I feel so good inside. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. I forgot to come back yesterday. So, sat on this bonnet of mine and just did like a one curl and then tucked it underneath my bonnet. And that's how I kept my curls. But this hair just really hold a curl. Like, look at this. It's so bouncy and so soft. Y'all see the length? You see those inches, baby? Stop playing with them. Like, look at these curls, and it's been about 3 days since I curled my hair. Still trying to get them to dry. I'll probably just flat iron it later. Okay, because I'm rushing again. Ouch. Woohoo. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let me swoop you right here because you bother me. And let me swoop you right here. Up close and personal, baby. Who am I with this hair? Look at this. So beautiful. Okay. Alright, y'all. So it's been about 2 days since. And the curls are still back there, girl. And I just put this on my hair, like literally this morning, to try to curl the top. So. And look how fast it curled the top. I had this on all of maybe 2 hours. Like, the curls are not going anywhere. If you love to keep your hair curled, go get this wig. This is the wig for you, sis. Alright, that's it, girl. I am in love with this. Like, let me tell you something. This wig is definitely one of my forever wigs. 9.8 out of 10. Highly recommend. Y'all, click the link down below and go treat yourself for Christmas. Send this to your boo so they can go get this for you. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and I'll see you guys next time.